Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to create a Wise Bank account. So first thing that you will do is go open up your Google Play Store into your device. And from here guys, just simply go ahead and search for Wise. And if you are using an Apple, just open up your App Store and search for Wise as well. And now once you have downloaded the Wise app, just open it up. And from here, guys, just simply go ahead and tap on Get Started. And right away, you should be able to see here Register. So tap on Register. And from here, just simply provide your email address. And from here, just tap on Next. And from here, you will have two options. You can either go for personal account or business account. So it will be depending on you. I'm going to go for personal account. And from here, just select the country that you have, or you can just tap on it. And from here, you will have multiple countries to choose from. So just simply select your country and from there, tap on next. And from here, guys, just simply provide your region number here at the first tab. And after that, just simply provide your phone number. And from there, a verification code will be sent to you. And after that, just simply provide the code and just simply provide the necessary information in order to proceed. And from there, you'll be able to create your account. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.